So let's look at Level 1, Topic 1, and the vocabulary in here. And the nice thing for us is that we have some vocabulary, the definitions filled in or mostly filled in for us. So point is defined as a location with no sides. And use your common sense. But what it'll be is it will be something like that, what we think of as a point, with a capital letter beside it. And what we say when we look at the symbol, and I don't know if symbol is exactly the right word for this, but we can call this point A. The next one, line, an infinite number of points along a straight path with no end. So what the picture looks like is something like this. And we put 2 points on here. We'll say point B and point C. And the symbol is 2 points on the line, B and C, with a line with arrows on the end above it. A plane, which I had a picture I thought originally drawn in, it must not have copied. But a plane is a flat surface and it extends in all directions with no end. So the way I like to describe it is I like to take a piece of paper, it's a flat object, and just think about it extending. No matter which direction we go, it goes right, it goes left, it goes up, it goes down, but up, I'm not saying this very well. Let's just stick with flat surface, and we'll get more details from our geometry teacher in class, because it's never going to become three-dimensional, it's two-dimensional. So it goes right and left and up and down, but just extending that paper. There can be points in here, like point F and point E and point D. And a plane is usually identified with 3 points. Like we could say plane DEF, or sometimes there's kind of an italics letter in a corner. Like we could put a P in there, and I know that's not italics, but we could also say that this is plain P. Collinear, points on the same line. If we draw a picture, I'll say D, E, F. But remember, when we're talking about collinear, I don't know that there's a particular symbol to represent collinear, but we can give this line a name. We can say that this is line DF with our line with arrows above it. We could say that this line is line DE, again with the line with the arrows on it, or we could call this line EF. We only have to pick one. So again, no particular symbol that I am aware of for collinear, but we can identify that line. Coplanar, we can use our same picture from above for the plane, and they are all points on the same plane. So the original ones that I put in here were E and F and D. Again, I am not familiar with the symbol for coplanar, but we can call this once again, playing D, E, F. And I'm going to stop there and start with the next word line segments for the next video.